Mastery is not about achieving results because results are downstream of mastery. I think this is where people, like the great misunderstanding, comes back into play. They think, look at this guy, he's just making so much money. He's so famous. All these people follow him, this and that. Those things are virtue signals. They're false metrics, vanity metrics. But for the people who are truly good, they attract the strongest signal type following. The people who truly care about something. For example, I'm pretty proud of a lot of my most recent followers on Twitter are highly followed accounts where they follow fewer than 1,000 people. That means they maintain a very strong signal amongst the noise, and they choose me to be part of their signal. They don't see me as noise. They actually want to follow me and have my content in their feed. That to me is a form of mastery. It's a developing form of mastery.